Hey man, what's up? You wanna play some cat mama?
Little. Don't forget everything.
Oh yeah, man. Let's run this joint. Ah! Eat that in your face. Eat that too. Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
Come back.
Oh, what this? What kind of black magic is this? Oh yeah! Ow!
Little.
Oh no. What was that kind of? Oh man, you got this thing again. I have 0 lives. How am I alive? Oh! Stupid!
Little.
How do I have -1 points? It's impossible. I bet. Oh ha! See? I can't do that now.
Kill that fool. Kill him. Crush him. No. Come back. No.
Okay, I'm going down the pipe. What? What's happening?
Little.
Where am I going? What the heck?
Bye.
Oh my god.
Say goodbye.
What kind of crap is this? -2? Oh my god. Freaking circles. What are they? Ow.
Jump, Christian, jump. Don't forget. Don't get killed. Oh. Kill him.
No.
Kill his family.
Okay. I ain't going down there again.
Little.
Oh, what was that? What kind of black magic was that? Boom. No! Ah, what is that? What is that? -4?
Hey,
Oh my
Christian,
God.
Let me try Christian. Let me try Christian.
Okay.
Got this.
Try this.
Little. Parkour. You gonna die today. Boom. What? You gonna learn today. You gonna learn today. Oh yeah.
Look at that cloud up there. It's just like, oh yeah, I'm so smart up here. You ain't gonna catch me. You ain't gonna catch me.
Look at this. What is this?
He's got buns of steel or something.
Little.
Go get that. It's a trap.
I know I want a mushroom.
Oh, that shit going on there.
That.
How do you get this far? This game's like impossible.
Little.
Okay, go get that checkpoint.
Ow!
Man.
That's some pooping. Okay, we're gonna try this again and I'm gonna win. Parkour! Oh no! Little.
Y'all gonna learn to. What the heck? Let me do this.
No, I got this.
Let me go for
I'm about to win it.
You ain't gonna win nothing.
Parkour!
This game's impossible.
No!
You died today. My turn right here.
No, let me try one more time.
Okay.
One more time and then you can go.
One more try.
Parkour.
You jump high.
Like a ninja cat.
It's Mario.
Oh.
It's Mario's cat.
No!
They're like super jumps. Alright, my turn. I'm doing like the Harlem Shake over here or something. You're like, nah, -9. Alright. What is it? Oh, I got out of that. Oh. Trying to. Got out of that.
Jump, Christian! Don't hit that. Oh, when that cloud gonna do, he gonna eat you.
I ain't taking any chances.
That's not one live.
Oh! No! What is this? I quit. I'm about to quit this black magic. I got it. Oh yeah? I'm gonna get you.